Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a desktop application built inside Python using the Tkinter GUI framework, which is very popular framework for building desktop applications. So in this way, in this application we will try to build out a image merger kind of an application where you can merge multiple images into a single image, both horizontally and vertically. So this application looks something like this. We have this interface. We have a button by which you can select a bunch of images. So here you can actually select any image. So let me select a bunch of images. As we select these images, 6 images selected, we can change the direction either horizontally or vertically. Horizontally it will merge like this. You will see it will also display the merged image right in the window itself. You can change the direction from this drop down. Let's suppose I want to merge it vertically. Again, I will say, you will see it will also show you. Now it has merged it vertically. So we have this button here as well, merged and save. So as soon as you can click on save, your output file will be saved here. You will see. If I try to open this, so in this way guys, you can actually merge multiple image files into a single one vertically and horizontally. So all the source code I've given in the description of the video. So now let's get started by building this. So just create a simple app.py file. I will just show you how to build this. So for this application, I think you just need to require the pillow library, the third party library that you need to install. So PILLOW. So this is only package that you will require. The command is simple. And after that, you simply first of all require the Tkinter package. And then from this Tkinter, you also need to import file dialog and the message box. And then from this pillow library, you need to import the image and the image TK class. So now we will basically build out the interface first of all, set some basic properties about the Tkinter app such as the title, the geometry, image paths. I will declare an empty array, and these basically, if you want to start your application, you just need to call root.main loop. This is the main function of Tkinter, and then we need to add some widgets on the screen such as a simple label. So this label will be allowing to a vertical menu which will have two options. Either you can merge it horizontally or vertically. By default horizontal will be selected. Then we will have a simple button to allow the user to select the images from the file picker window, and then we just have a simple button to merge and save. So I've given all the source code in the description of the video. Now we just need to define these two functions, select images and merge and display. So both these functions I will just define it. So we actually defined both these functions, and now we just need to first of all write the function for select images. So as soon as you hit that button, we need to show a file picker window by which the user can select multiple image files. This is a really easy function. Here we simply displaying the image picker window. We have predefined the set of extensions which will be image files only, PNG, JPG, all that. So as soon as the user clicks that, the image picker window will open and they can select multiple image files. That's all. And if you just see, Now we in the merge and display function, so here we will simply need to merge the files, image files. So we need to get the direction first of all. So whatever is the direction value, or either horizontal or vertically, and then we simply merged the files. So right here we use this merge underscore images. So I think, yeah, so we do need to define this function. So this is actually the function which will be responsible for, we'll pass the image paths plus the direction. So we'll be writing it inside try block. So now we just need to define this function, which is merge image. So this will actually take a bunch of images plus the direction. So what I will do, I will simply copy this code. You can find all this source code in the description of the video. So essentially what it is doing, it is actually getting the image paths plus the direction. Default value is horizontal. It is opening the image files one by one, and then it is merging it in either in horizontal. It's the logic for horizontal, and then it's for vertical. That's all. So if you launch this application, you will see this is the interface. You simply select whichever image files, and after that I think we need to display the image files as well. So yeah, so after this we need to display this just after this function right here. You just need to paste. So this is the code responsible for displaying the merged image in the window and then saving it. Once the user clicks the save button, then this file dialog or this function will execute, and you will be able to save the output image file at a specified location. So let me once again run this file. You will see it is saying line number 47. I think there is some kind of typo mistake. Let me just copy this. So you can see that. So in this easy way, you can build out this application. You will see your file has been saved. So in this easy way, guys, you can build out this image merger kind of an application. All the source code is given in the description. Also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.